this thing on? I guess so. I don't know. Alright, well, we're gonna go for another ride. What we got? 3,216, 94%, and off swing on the radio. Oh, let's go. Where are we going today? I don't know. Oof. No, I don't know. Sell that somewhere, huh? One man's trash, another man's treasure. That's what they say. Monday Night Football tonight. Nice. We are just cruising to find something fun. I don't know. I guess I'll keep posting videos. If people want to see them, I'll keep posting them. I ride pretty much every day. Probably be a lot of the same stuff. Also, I'm not editing crap because I don't like to edit. It's not fun. Maybe it's just the GoPro that I got and I don't know how to do it. I don't know if there's any free software that you can get to edit GoPro files. There's someone on me. Oh, nothing. Alright, I'm gonna be quiet. Oh. Whoa! Big shit right there. Yes. Love that shit. Whoa. But back to what I was saying. I don't know if there's any free software or anything out there that makes editing easy, but I don't know how to do it. If you guys know how to do it, let me know. Till then, I will just film and not edit. Just completely throw it out there. If it sticks, it sticks. If it doesn't, oh well. Oh man, this is so fun. Film, GoPro doesn't do it justice at all. So, I don't know. It's what it is. I should have bigger openings in here. Oh shit, oh yeah, see. Oh. Damn, swirly shit. Don't want to eat shit today. Or any day, really. I'll get home in one piece. Whoa. Landscape with you. Oh my god. Probably hate me. Tearing up their gravel. Rich people houses over here. Rich people. Oh, whatever. Horsies. Horsey hoo-ha! Oh. The wood section right there. Oh, over here. Slow down over to the left. Oh, shit. Oh. I'm sure it's not showing on film what this is actually like. Look. Rocks are hardcore though. Oh. Kind of chill. Not for too long though, because then you'll hear the whole song, and then YouTube will take down the video because there's too much music. And trust me, this music is not getting me any extra likes. If you want to hear the song, you can just listen to it on YouTube. So, whatever YouTube, you guys are stupid. Whoa. Just because I said YouTube is stupid, I'm probably going to take it down, so. Whoa. Full view. I don't know how to adjust this any better. Like, I don't know. Whatever. Maybe we'll have a happy dog at home. He's gonna be mad that he's outside because I can't trust him in the house because he chews up all my stuff. Some would say, oh, well, you should just put your stuff away. Well, true. But, whatever. Okay, gotta wait. So yeah, I should put my stuff away so he can't reach it, but if it's not that, it's gonna be something else. It's just a pup, he's not even a year yet. Almost a year. It'll be a year and 1 month. Good dog. Good dog for an 11-month-old. Oh, my pocket's open. My wallet could have slipped out. Not cool. I wonder what they're building over there. Hopefully something cool. Hot as frick. Look at that, 105 is what it says. Feels hotter, to be honest with you. It really does. Some days don't feel that hot, but today for some reason does. So either the weather is lying or I'm just a wolf. I don't know. to move this water not in my bike's way.